Trick or treat, my little pretties. Today, we're going to be making some delicious CBD-infused ghost pumpkins.
Wait a minute. You're not planning on giving those to the trick-or-treaters, are you?
Don't be silly, my little pretty. I despise little children. I would never give them one of my delicious goodies. Why, if anything, I would throw those little ghouls and goblins into my cauldron and make myself a nice pot of goulash.
Oh, you're spooky and punny, huh? Let's just let everyone know what they'll need to follow along with our recipe today.
You'll need 2 cups of ghost droppings.
Gross. I'm pretty sure those are just Girdelli's white chocolate chips.
You'll also need 2 cups of bat's eyeballs.
Yeah. Those are actually just Girdelli's milk chocolate chips.
Let me have a little fun, honey. I only get to come out once a year, you know. Next, you'll need 4 tablespoons of zombie drool. Boy, doesn't that look tasty.
Ew. Actually, it's just organic coconut oil.
You'll need 1 gram of petrified skeleton dust.
Actually, that's CBD isolate powder by CBD Distillery, and it's the most important ingredient in our ghostly pumpkin.
And just a few drops essence of evil jack-o'-lantern.
I'm pretty sure that's just orange extract. We got it at Kroger. All right, let's get started with our recipe. We picked up these adorable little pumpkin silicone molds at the dollar store, and we're ready to melt some chocolate and get mixing.
Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to each bowl of chocolate chips and melt by double boiling over medium heat. Be sure to stir frequently until all the chips are melted. When chocolate is smoothly melted, add equal parts of CBD isolate powder to each bowl and mix well. Then add orange extract or any other flavor you would like to try to each bowl and mix well. I froze my silicone molds ahead of time so that the chocolate would start setting immediately. I lined each pumpkin mold with white chocolate and cooled to set. Then add a dollop of milk chocolate mixture in the center of each pumpkin and cool to set again. Then I filled the remaining space with more white chocolate. After setting, these little ghost pumpkins will pop right out of the mold. They were a little rough around the edges, so I just cleaned them up with a paring knife. I combined the remaining white chocolate mixture with the leftover milk chocolate mixture and also made some marble chocolate pumpkins. Voila! Now we have some tasty homemade CBD chocolates. Each pumpkin contains about 25 milligrams of CBD.
Oh my, it looks like we've got us some little trick-or-treaters. Oh, these are my kind of trick-or-treaters. Oh, look at you. You're a little Dracula cat. And a little mermaid. A mer-kitten. Trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat.
It's a costume party now. Vote for your favorite costume down in the comments below.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's Cooking with CBD special, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that little subscribe button.